Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing oils and dust. This matters because chrome needs a perfectly clean surface. File and buff lightly, then dehydrate with an alcohol wipe so adhesion is consistent. Apply a thin, fully cured base gel layer, not too thick, and cure strictly to the lamp instructions, 30-60 seconds under a 48W LED typical. Once done, make sure to remove any inhibition tack only if your chrome pigment requires a dry surface. Otherwise, leave a slight tack for adhesion of the powder. You now apply the pigment. Pick up a small amount on a soft silicone or eyeshadow sponge and tap off excess so you avoid streaks. Start at the cuticle and rub in small circular motions toward the tip. This creates a mirror finish as pigment layers smoothly. Once you have even coverage, make sure to seal the edges lightly before top coat to prevent lifting. If intensity is low, go back with a second thin pass instead of pressing harder, because pressure causes uneven sheen. You finish by applying a thin, no-wipe glossy top coat to lock the chrome. Cure it fully according to your LED lamp instructions to avoid dimming the mirror effect. Once cured, lightly buff and add a final thin top coat layer if you need extra durability. If you see dull spots, make sure the area was oil-free and reapply pigment to those spots before retop coating. If lifting occurs, remove the layer, reprime the nail with dehydrator and bond, then rebuild with thinner, well-cured layers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.